We are VVDN Technologies, India's fastest growing electronic engineering and manufacturing company. Having 13+ years of experience in doing electronic product innovation with indigenous design and make capability. Known for engineering excellence and robust manufacturing, today, VVDN is the only company in India which has state-of-the-art SMT facility, unparalleled mechanical tooling and mold facility, extensive product assembly facility, best-in-class global innovation park, all located at Manesar, Gurgaon, India. At SMT Facility we have the most advanced and sophisticated equipment to do the electronic PCB assembly. Our mechanical tooling and mold facility is equipped with CNC, injection molding machines where our team does the most creative, complex designs in the process manner. Once the PCB electronics and mechanicals are ready, we take them to our product assembly facility where we strictly adhere to DFMA process and does the parts checking quality control. And end with electronics assembly, testing, packaging and eventually shipping the products to our global customers. Our business unit includes doing the design and make of the products for Tier 1 global OEMs in 5G, Wi-Fi, Internet of Things, Vision. At present more than 5,000 people from our 9+ R&D centers and 4+ manufacturing facilities are working relentlessly to continuously do the R&D and manufacturing. With VVDN's experience, scalability and agility we will be hiring 1 lakh people in next 3 years. Even during COVID-19 lockdown, we hired 1,500 people with a promise to give them a career to work on the most innovative technologies, challenging the limits continuously, delivering global promises consistently, adapting emerging technologies aggressively. We are VVDN Technologies which, design in India, make in India, deliver for the world.